I think joinery is going to open a lot of doors for me, I think.
Take them out of the shell, give them the trade discipline and give them the tools and a career to forge their lifetime, earn money moving forward.
I chose construction because I enjoy hard work and I like being on site with all the lads. You also have a lot of time to learn and explore different opportunities.
The group sizes are usually smaller, which means the teachers can help more of us at a time and we all can learn.
Although bricklaying is a male-dominated industry, I feel like I fit in so much and I feel like this is definitely what I want to do and I belong here.
Instead of criticising us, they'll help us along the way, tell us where we're going wrong, but in a good manner so we don't lose confidence.
They can pick what type of job they want to work on, get the support, but the beauty is they're graded and they mark each other's work as well, so they get that ethos of all working together and learning at the same time together.
You have a lot more freedom and you can express yourself more in what you want to do.
There's big skill shortages at this moment in time. A lot of companies looking for apprentices. Yes, I treat them as adults as they walk through the door, but we're here to help. At the end of the day, I want them to get the qualification and be the employee that the employer looks for.
My apprenticeship is with Williamson Construction. It felt strange at the start to be doing that instead of university or sixth form, but I enjoy it and I wouldn't change it for anything. I'm looking forward to becoming a qualified joiner where I can excel in my trade and hopefully have my own business one day.